To my first video. So today we will learn about coronavirus. What is coronavirus? Let us see. What is coronavirus and how it is spread? Coronavirus is a large group of viruses which are common among animals. It belongs to the SARS virus family. Usually, this virus is infect the animal and very few strains are reported to affect humans. First reported in Wuhan, China, it quickly spread to Beijing, Shanghai, and Xinjiang, and now other countries. So, as we have know that the coronavirus was spread first in Wuhan, China. So how it spread? It spreads when someone came in contact with infected persons, infection such as cough, sneeze, and handshake. The virus can be also transmitted by a physical contact. It can only be controlled by handling a patient waste. So now we will go to next slide. So, symptoms of coronavirus. What are the symptoms of coronavirus? Let us see. The symptoms of coronavirus include running nose, fever, weakness, cold, sore throat that can last up to 48 hours. For those with a weak immune system, there are chances that the virus can lead to lower and serious respiratory tract illness like pneumonia and bronchitis. So now we will go to next slide. How to prevent infection? Wash your hands regularly with soap and water or clean them with alcohol based hand rub. Maintain at least 1 meter distance between you and people coughing or sneezing. Avoid touching your face. Cover your mouth and nose when coughing or sneezing. Stay home if you feel unwell. Refrain from smoking and other activities that weaken the lungs. Practice physical distancing by avoiding unnecessary travel and staying away from large groups of people. So we have to think about this and take the precautions. Precaution of coronavirus. Cover mouth while coughing or sneezing. If infected, stay at home and avoid crowds or contact with others. Wash hands frequently. Means we have to wash hand every 1 hour. In every 1 hour. Person with suspected symptoms should take proper precautions. Wear a mask. Special attention to children, elderly. Consult a doctor. Children and elder peoples, they are having more chances to get coronavirus because they are not having the good immune system. Cure of coronavirus. As of now, there is no specific vaccine to treat coronavirus. Scientists from across the world, including the WHO, are working over it. However, it can be treated by keeping the patient in an isolation ward for a period at least 10 to 5 days. So, we can see that we have to as we have seen precautions and infection, how to prevent infection, coronavirus, and symptoms of coronavirus, and we have seen that what is coronavirus and how it spread. So I hope you have enjoyed the video and you have learned that what is coronavirus. So thank you for watching this video. Give a like and comment down below that what chapter next should I make. Thank you. Have a nice day.